Hello guys, I'm here today to show you how you can add your name on your iPhone's lock screen. Let's start. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone. You need to pull down your control screen and tap and hold focus mode and tap add new focus. Choose custom. Type your name, and also you can customize it by choosing the color or by adding an icon. And click next, and then click customize focus. For today's topic, we don't change any of these settings, keep everything as we found, and just click focus and log out from settings menu and pull down the control screen once again and tap and hold focus and just choose your name on that screen. And when you lock your screen, you'll see your name on it. I hope the video helped you and you enjoy it. Please don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.